Aku kurang tahu kalau... Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. Hi. My name is Ian Chin, and welcome to Selamat Makan, the first in our series of programs on doing Southeast Asian cookery in the American kitchen. So, today we're going to make that old-time Indonesian classic, Gulai Ayam, or Indonesian yellow curry. Now this is a classic Indonesian dish that you can find in many Indonesian homes or even on the street with lima kaki vendors, or that's five-footed vendors for you in the know. And it's kind of a mild type of curry, not quite as spiced as an Indian curry, but not quite the same as Thai curry either. It's a very balanced curry and a very good first Indonesian dish if you're doing that kind of dinner party. So, without further ado, let's get started. For the Gulai Ayam, we shall need 1 kilo of assorted chicken pieces. That's about a little bit over 2 pounds. 1 can of coconut milk. That's 400 mils of coconut milk, but you can add a little bit more if you want it more creamy. And, as for the spices, we will need 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half of a nutmeg, 3 cardamom pods, and 1 Daun Salam. Now Daun Salam is Indian or Indonesian bay leaf, and if you can't get it, just leave it out of the recipe. For our bumbu, we shall need 4 large shallots, or about 8 small shallots. American shallots are quite big, which I like. 6 garlic cloves, about 5 to 10 small chilies. I have here Thai chilies. 3 to 4 daun jeruk or lime, Keffir lime leaf. If you can't get that, just use the zest of 1 lime. About 2 inches of fresh turmeric, and if you can't get that, just use about 2 tablespoons of dried turmeric. 1 to 2 inches of galangal, which is a root that's similar to ginger but a bit more floral. And if you can't get that, you can just double up on ginger, which I also have in the recipe, at about 1 to 2 inches depending on your taste. And of course, kamiri nuts. Now, kamiri nuts are also known as candlenuts, and if you can't get these, you can use either cashews, or you can use macadamia nuts, or you can just leave it out altogether. We will also need 1 large lemongrass, or you could use 2 small lemongrass stalks, some lime juice to taste, palm sugar to taste, which is coconut sugar, but if you can't get coconut sugar, I suggest some brown sugar, or you could even use white sugar. And here I have 1 pandan leaf, which is also very optional. Now let's freshly grind all of our spices. If you happen to have all the powdered equivalents, you could just all use all powdered. Or if you don't care about it being a little, if you don't care about the texture being a bit gritty, it doesn't really matter. So in the bowl, we'll put all of our bumbu ingredients. And all of our ground spices. And from here, we just blend until it turns into a good paste. In a large pot, add all of your ingredients and add just enough water to almost cover the chicken. I also added here just a bit of the salt, lime, and sugar. I can always adjust it later when it's cooked to my taste. Bring to a boil, and then lower the heat down to a simmer. Cover and simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour. After about 45 minutes to an hour, it should look something like this. Very fragrant, very yellow, and the chicken is very tender. And here's our finished Gulai Ayam. It really has a really lovely yellow color to it. And it smells awfully fragrant. So for my Gulai Ayam, I like to put a scoop of gulai with 1 piece of meat. You can always put more later. And of course, the obligatory fried shallots and some krupuk on the side. That's crackers. And perhaps you could also put some cucumbers and a wedge of lime, just in case you want to make it a little extra sour. Now, doesn't that look very appetizing, especially with a bit of rice on the side? And so now that this is well garnished, let's give this a bit of a try and get a bit of the meat. Very soft, just falls from the bone, and a little messy on my face, but that's awfully, awfully good. You know, that really ticks all the boxes for me. It's well seasoned, a bit sweet and spicy, like myself, and of course, it comes with kerupuk, or Indonesian crackers, and these are garlic kerupuk. So that's it today for Gulai Ayam. And as you can see, it was actually very easy to do. And for that flavor paste, you can actually make that way ahead of time. Or you can make a very big portion of it, and you can just keep it in your freezer for easy use. That way you can always have a flavorful Indonesian curry at your fingertips. So, thanks very much for joining me today on Selamat Makan. My name is Ian Chin, and as always, I wish you Selamat Makan, enjoy your meal, and Selamat Jalan.
Kopi susu, kopi susu, gulanya pasir. Badan lesu, terlalu banyak pelesir. Hari Minggu, hari gembira bersukaria.
Hey, Mali, jangan begitu. Gulai ayam untuk manusia aja. Kucing zaman now.